The High Court of Lagos State at Tafawa Balewa Square resumed the trial of Andrew Nice on today, 30th June 2022. Andrew Nice is standing before the court on 5-count charges on rape, conspiracy, and murder of late For Bamise Ayonule. Appearing before the court today, Defense Counsel P.O. Idogu, standing in for Barrister Bayomi Omotubora, pleaded that the court adjourns the case to further notice as the defense counsel was absent. However, the Attorney General of Lagos State, who is leading the state's prosecution on the trial as Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Mayor Sori Onibanjo, stated before the court his continuous absence from the court due to various reasons, despite having 3 witnesses to testify. Honorable Justice Sherifat Sonaike therefore overruled the adjournment and ordered the matter to be processed, as the position of the law is that any counsel who announced for a defendant should be able to hold a brief. The defense counsel, Barrister Idu, pleaded that the matter be stood down as he is new in the case and was only asked to stand in. Justice United therefore stood down the matter for 20 minutes and ordered that the defense counsel must not leave the courtroom. Furthermore, the 3 witnesses that testified were Kayode Aluko, Field Operation Manager of the Bus Rapid Transit, BRT, Isibo Amos, second witness, who is a police officer and who testified before the court that he was the one on duty and the person who took the picture of the deceased. And also the third witness, Shegun Agbe, who is a social worker with the Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency as a field officer, testified that he was assigned to visit the Aja police station. However, the 3 witnesses testified that they were never hired to tarnish the image of the defendant, Andrew Nice Ominikoron. Honorable Justice Sharifat Shanaika, thereafter listening to the 3 witnesses, ordered that the necessary information be made available to the defense counsel, Abayomi Omotubora, as she had done the case to the 7th of July 2022 for continuation of trial. Speaking to journalists after the case proceeding, a human rights activist, Bello Ibrahim Olaoluwa, held his view on the day.
Well, in my personal opinion, I believe that the cause of justice is moving. In this case, we were able to see some improvements whereby the defense team was present, the prosecuting team, they were all well prepared, and also with members of the Human Rights Committee and others who are interested in the case were also watching the brief. And the defense team was able to make their cross-examinations as well as the prosecuting team with their examination in chief. And we thank God that the cause of justice is moving. Well, whether he's absent or not, the most important thing is someone was sent from his office to represent him. And that alone has made some improvements. So in this case, we are not going to be seeing any delay in the course of justice. There's going to be improvements in next adjournment dates now. What we are going to be having is the other witnesses who are to appear in court, and we believe that things are moving the way they should move, and to ensure that the Nigerian Court of Law is a court of justice, equity, and good conscience. The next adjournment date is for 7th of July 2022.